Page 45, Harmonica Rock. At the top of the page, they give you some more examples of harmonic seconds and thirds. You can have fun going over those yourself. Remember, it's easy to recognize a second because the notes are cockeyed a little. And the thirds, they're next to each other, both on lines or both on spaces. That's thirds. However, let's look at Harmonica Rock. You see it's 2 lines long. It's got a repeat side. We're going to play it twice. 4/4 time. So there's 4 counts in a measure. We're going to count to 4, and we're counting quarter notes. I see a bunch of half notes and quarter notes in it for the most part, so I don't see a lot going on. So now let's talk about the right hand. What's going on here? We're starting out with a C and a D, 1 and 2 fingers. See, normally they'd put the finger numbers above the staff, above the notes for the right hand. They got those boxes there, and they want you to put in which interval it is in the box, so the box is in the way. So they had to put the finger numbers next to the notes, in case you're wondering. So we have here, and then a C and an E, and then we're just playing these intervals is all. And then in the second line, now we have a 4 and a 5 here. Be sure and use those fingers, because these are the weak fingers. We need to use them. So you need to practice. And here, and again, to do these multiple notes at a time, I'm putting my hand in the position I needed, whichever fingers are down, to which notes I need, and I'm lowering the hand. I don't use the fingers to try and do it. So in the second line, when I'm here, the 4th and 5th fingers are down, I'm lowering the hand. It just claps the wrist a little bit. Here, try and get them down at the same time. It's hard to do, I can't do it. And then the next one is E, G. Again, it's the same thing, just lower the hand. Takes a little practice on that, huh? So those are the notes and all. Now let's go back and get the rhythm. Half notes, 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in the second line here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand, same thing. Get the notes and the fingering first. We're starting out with 4 and 5 here. C and D. Drop the hand. And then we have a C and an E. And then in the second line, when the left hand plays, it's an F and a G. And then an E and a G. Okay. Now put the hands together. Well, they're playing one at a time, so it's not that hard. You hear, here, and then here. I forgot to put in the counting. Put in the counting. 1, 2, 3. You get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I mean, maybe as you're doing this, you're getting it well enough that you can put in the counting and the notes and the fingering all at the same time. And if you can, that's fine. But if that's too much, then break it down and do them one at a time or something. It depends on the piece and how complicated the music is and how well you're getting it or not. Then the dynamics. Well, it starts out loud here. You'll have to decide what loud is. It's loud. And then third measure over. Now it's medium loud. I wish they would have put the medium loud in the middle. That's where it belongs, but they put it down there. Okay. It's just a little less loud than you were doing. And then the second line, you're loud again. And then you go down to medium loud for the third measure. Just a little softer than loud, but it's still loud. It's sort of loud. Whatever. Then you try them and see. Get the idea? The speed, it says a steady rock tempo, whatever that is. So just feel it. It's a whatever a steady rock tempo is for you, whatever that means. That's the speed. So you learn it, get it to where you can play it at least slowly, and then come back and do the play with me section, and let's play it together to make sure you got the right notes and rhythms going. And since it is repeated, we will play it twice, so give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2,